Assalamu alaikum. Today I am giving a task to our student,
Smart boy.
our very smart boy. I am giving him a bottle and
Yes,
Sir
this is the
Ali's
bottle.
next your
Yeah.
task.
And this boy is given this task that he will go somewhere and he will find a person and then he will sell this bottle.
In English, but
In a-
don't speak any word.
Okay, in English language. But what if that person doesn't understand English?
No
then
problem.
he can use
It's
Urdu.
his task, sir.
Okay.
No problem.
So let's see if this person sell this bottle, and doesn't matter how much amount he sell this, we
Okay.
will give the same money as a reward to this person.
Okay,
And
let's
your
see.
task begin.
His task is to sell this bottle to any
Yeah.
person.
And he find a person and then
Hmm.
yeah.
Yes, come to me, Vijay. That person is going. Let's see.
You can sell to anyone. Let's see how he sells.
You can sell to any person. Let's see. Tell me what's reaction from that person.
Danish? They are just looking like. Should have you seen Danish?
Okay, what he said? He didn't understand English
He
language.
didn't. They didn't understand the English language, and they are.
Okay, I think sir, we give two more people, then we will switch our language. Okay.
And
Okay. What's the second person reaction?
Second person reaction is I think good because he can. I think he can understand English.
Okay.
And,
And
when I say to the person that you want this water bottle, and he said I don't want it, and then he said how much the water it can fill, and 2 liter. I said 2 liter, and he said how many price I want it, and then I just not thinking, and I just say two.
okay, then the answer of
The reaction of the man is like this.
he was stuck.
He was just like
thinking.
wrong.
Okay, and what's happened? He didn't take bottle.
And then he said that I'm pranking with you. I don't want this water. I have actually a big collection of water.
Okay, that's
Or just forced to buy.
What I said to him.
You simply go to that person. I have a bottle. I need a money. Please take my bottle and
this is
give
very
me
precious
only.
one.
Okay, give me only 200. If this person asks you, I have not 200. You simply ask me. Okay, take it in a 100. Please, I need a 100. Give me only in
And
English.
then
Not.
you can
And the person see me at the. I have 500.
No, you can pull it into your pocket. Okay. After this, we take this bottle again back. Okay. You can talk to anybody like girl, like boy.
I didn't. We cannot be let. If the person is get outside of the part, then it's
No problem. No. Inside this part. Don't go outside the part. Okay.
Sir, for this, we want to take care of this.
Sorry.
We want to take care about his piece. Many.
What type of? I didn't.
I'm saying that if we want this,
If this person give you money, then we will. Okay. Then we will go again to that person and we will appreciate that person and we will ask to that person we are pranking and please give me my bottle back
Take your
and we
money
and
and
take and we give their money to back and we take our bottle to back and you can take that money from Sir Ali. Okay. Because it's your task, you can win, beta. Okay. Now it's your task. You can go anywhere. Where you want to go now?
and will show us your customer when you play.
Where you want to go? Huh?
Yeah.
Okay, you can go. Okay, let.
mine.
No problem. He's coming.
He's fast.
Go.
Talk to them.
Talk to them. Finally, Anif sell this bottle to that person. That's the amazing
Hansa,
person.
what's your name?
What's
My
your name?
name is Abdul Rauf.
His name is Abdurrauf, or he sell his bottle, and Sir Ali give him a 200 rupees.
Okay,
Because
how
it's-
much money you saw? 200 rupees.
Yeah,
Okay.
this guy need 200 rupees.
I'm just
I think
lying with you.
Exactly.
I'm just
making video.
pranking,
And
sir.
we
Thank
are,
you so much,
It's
sir.
okay. It's okay.
Thank you so
And
much.
we are
Have a
from a
good day,
trip
sir.
from an institute. You are from Waziristan?
No, I'm from Pakistan.
Okay.
So this
we just
person
try.
learning a business. That's why I give this task to sell a bottle to anybody.
Future
And-
businessman, inshallah.
Inshallah. Thank you so much,
much,
sir. Thank you so much. Have a good
Stay
day.
blessed.
Have
Stay
a good day.
blessed.
Have a good day.
And if you want,
Oh, Adib. Adib, he sold this water. Oh,
sir, I think we need a staying.
Acha,
stay.
give me the reaction of that person, sir. Give me
when I first I talk to Urdu that you can understand. No, first I talk to Urdu that you can understand.
First you
English.
talk in English or Urdu that person?
But I just talked once and that you can understand English, and he said yes, and then I starting.
Acha, what you said? Tell me.
मैंने कहा कि आपको
In English, what you said?
I said that you can understand English. He said yes. Then I say I want to sell this bottle. I need some money. I think 200. Do you want this bottle? First he said that no. And then I forced him that it can.
How you force? Tell me about this.
That is the major point.
I said that sir, please, it can fill 2 liter water, and when you fill it, it doesn't have any scratch.
Oh
And-
my god.
Then-
This is a true
then-
business technique.
And then he said, do you want really 200? I said yes. And then he pulled money from his pocket and gave me, and with bottle. I said no, you take the bottle because you give the money.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
then.
Then
That's beautiful experience.
then you are coming and.
Okay, that's